Hey guys, welcome back to another exciting episode of the Autohound. Today what we're going to be doing is actually installing some mud flaps on the Maverick. So we have a sponsor, Muslogy, M-U-S-L-O-G-Y. They are on my Amazon affiliates link. Highly recommend that you go in and check them out. And I'm going to show you the kit that they gave me. It's pretty sweet and it's all user friendly. So it's DIY. It shouldn't take me more than about 15 to 20 minutes to do it. Here's where the mud flaps are going to be going on the car. One right here, of course, and one back here, and two on the other side. So let's see how this looks once it's all completed. But here's the truck from the front. Pretty excited. As shown on my TikTok channel and my Instagram, you'll see that this is the actual kit that they sent me. So I got a front mud flap, rear mud flap, front and rear. They sent me some extra little bag of screws just in case I break one, which I'm sure I will. A tool removal kit. Make sure you have a 7mm wrench. You're definitely going to need one of those. And here's the instructions. Also, I use Simple Green products and I use a nice clean towel to make sure the area is nice and clean. It also comes with these really neat little adhesive strips so that this way I'm not scratching the paint. Let's get into the project, shall we? All right guys, so what I've done is I've already removed the 7mm bolt, which is this right here, and I removed the two panel screws. Very simple, easy to move out of the way. The next thing you want to do is make sure you get this area all clean. According to the instructions, this is supposed to go over this piece right here. I'm going to take a look and see what it looks like on the inside and the outside to see which one actually looks better and is a cleaner look. They also give you these cool little felt pads so you're not scratching up the paint of the car. So let's just give that a try. Clean first. I use Simple Green. Simple Green smells good, non-toxic, biodegradable, and it doesn't hurt your paint. Peel this out a little bit. Clean all this area insides as well. So let's try putting this puppy on. Now, I already test fitted earlier, and it fits quite nicely over everything. Test fit it. Make sure it fits where you want to. I'm afraid that's going to look like it's going to wobble. I'm going to take off the bottom pieces too. So over here, I've already put the mud flap on the car, as you can see. And what I need to do is make sure that I get the felt piece between the body of the car and the actual mud flap. So we'll take this, pull this off, and you want to put it in here. Felt, make sure that it is against this panel right here all the way down into the channel. That's going to allow you to place it in nice and comfortably and snugly. Puts it in, and so what you can do is you can take your new body clip that they provided for you so that you don't have to worry about fighting with the old one, and you slide this bad boy in. Screw that down. And that ain't going anywhere. Take the next one. What they did is they made it really cool because you have the two pieces, like so. Little screw piece and a little clip piece. Clip piece goes in. Turn it a little bit. Give it a good hard shove, and it goes right in. The next ones are the old screws that it came with. Do a quick hand tighten on both of them. Make sure it's tight and wraps around. Throw the old one away. Take your 7mm. Make sure it's nice and snug. Nice and tight. That ain't going anywhere. So, backside's on. So coming around the car after the mud flaps have been put on, they look really good. Like really good from the front, and they look great from the back. Look at it. Nice tight fit. Again from the back, nice tight fit. Inside here, the wheel well, they look fantastic. Nice tight fit here. All in all, job done. So, gives the truck a little bit more of a flair. Nice little mud flaps on it. That was it. You can see how easy it was to install those. It literally took me no more than 15 minutes. And I would have to say, on a scale from 1 to 5, being as far as the install goes, I give it a 5. Super easy. You can't mess this up even if you tried. As far as the quality goes, I think the quality is definitely there. There's a couple of concerns that I might have, which is the back mud flaps don't actually touch the underside of the car and there's nowhere to secure it. However, with the 4 screws on there, I don't anticipate there's going to be a problem. So I definitely give this product also a 5 out of 5. I want to thank my sponsor, Muslogy. If you go to my Amazon link in the affiliate page, you'll definitely be able to purchase these. So definitely go to there. I get a little piece of that, which is nice. The other thing is that I want to kind of explain why I haven't been around much. My wife and I have been doing some traveling. We've gone to Tail of the Dragon, which you're going to see the video before this one, which is a fantastic video. I've sped that up as well. Nobody wants to see me driving for 20 straight minutes. So it's about 6 minutes long. It should be a lot of fun, and I hope you enjoy that. If you like this type of content, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, it's about the drive.